Hello Blogineers, today we're going to unbox and demo Doctor Who HiFive Inventor Coding Kit by Tinker Coding for Kids and BBC Learning. Now I'm not too familiar about Doctor Who, but I know it's a British show about time travel, and this lady over here is Doctor Who. Okay, let's take off the wrapping. Here's the box. So on the front, what does this look like, brother?
A hand.
Yes, it is a hand.
It looks
and
like
also
a furry hand.
Yeah, and Doctor Who is also holding a hand. It says take coding to the next level. What's included? A HiFive Inventor, a battery pack, a USB LED, a speaker, alligator chips, and full networking with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Inside the box, we're going to be learning block coding and MicroPython code.
MicroPython, that one sounds very, that one sounds, good.
And finally on the back, it says connect, code, and invent. Everything you need to get coding. Let the doctor get you started. Looking at the back, it seems like there are 6 activities inside this box. One of them is to develop an intergalactic weather service, then wirelessly pilot an alien spaceship.
The next one's learn to control a robot,
send and receive emojis, build an alien musical instrument, and lastly,
create a security system.
Yep, security system. And by the way, this is for ages 7 and up. Now we're gonna open the box.
Spoilers. Wow. Oh, there's the hand.
Wow, it is bigger on the inside. What's here? Choking hazard, not a toy. Wonderful.
Yeah.
Okay, here is the
instruction manual.
Yeah, it actually opens up. Product information, copyright notices, HiFive Inventor, what's included, and on the back, get to know your HiFive Inventor.
And here's the HiFive Inventor. Whoa.
Here it is. Whoa. On the back, BBC Doctor Who.
What's under this white thingy? I know.
Oh.
There's more stuff.
What did they say it is?
Oh, and after this, there's more stuff.
There's one of these electrical board things.
Circuit thingy.
Is this for battery?
Yeah. And then, there's more.
Oh, wow.
There's more. Wires. Nice, wires.
Yeah, this is cool. They just loop the wires around. Let's open this little box where the battery's stored. So it looks like they don't come with batteries. However, we're going to need 3 AA batteries. 3 AA batteries, so we're going to put that in a bit. Now it's time to show you how this coding kit works.
Let's get our shift off.
First, we're going to redeem our code so we can access the HiFiveInventor.com site. Create an account. I'm a student. We created our account, and now we're going to click continue. Doctor Who Planet of Adventure. Oh, okay. Well, you know what? There's way more than 6 activities or whatever I said earlier. Oh, so there's block coding over here, MicroPython over here, glitch manner, and intro to Python. Here's Doctor Who's Planet of Adventure. We're going to start with lesson 1,
which is called Wayward World. I don't know if I said that right. I think I did. It's loading. Oh, it did.
Oh, come on, old girl. What's going on now?
Click anywhere to continue. Click.
Some sort of energy field is interfering with the TARDIS. It's pulling us off course.
It's pulling us off course.
Anyway, if I don't take back control, we're going to crash. Who knows when?
Go, Chris.
Give me a hand, why don't you?
Okay, so we have to help Doctor Who.
Can you help program the TARDIS's navigation calibrators? This energy interference has scrambled the code. Let's help the Doctor.
Click anywhere.
We'll write code with Tinker. Tinker is a visual programming language.
Okay.
You can snap together these code blocks to create a program.
Oh.
Each one is a command. When you connect code blocks together and use your imagination, you can make anything happen.
It's this.
You can make things move. Make characters speak. Change how things look. And much more.
Wow, that's cool.
In Tinker, objects and characters are called actors.
They're called actors.
The background behind them is called the stage. Ah, the Doctor's sonic screwdriver is an actor too.
Oh. Screwdriver's an actor. That's wonderful.
Any actor can be programmed. Let's program the Sonic to do something simple to start.
Okay.
This is when actor clicked. This particular command is considered an event. It runs when something happens. This event will run when you click on the Sonic. This is next costume. This command will change the costume or appearance of an actor.
This command will change the costume or appearance of an
Code doesn't run unless it's bound to an event. So let's attach it to when actor clicked. Just like that. Now click on the sonic screwdriver a few times and see what happens. Lovely! You've written your first program. Great work. We'd better get back to fixing the TARDIS. I'll meet you at the control panel.
Okay. Okay.
Alright.
Oh,
So that first activity was just a tutorial.
I've got to switch us over to auxiliary power. Will you fix the waypoint panel? Attach the correct command. Press the play button to run your code when you're ready. Then, flip the switch to fix the panel.
So I think you're supposed to put that.
So when the actors clicked, next costume, right?
Mm-hmm.
Whew. Well, that's sorted. We're safe now. But where are we heading?
Okay. So we finished the first lesson. That was a nice introduction. And
This
now,
planet shows no sign of life. The TARDIS calls it Violet. I wonder why I've been drawn to this particular planet.
Loading.
oh wow.
That's a lot.
The first obstacle. Uh-oh. Seems like the TARDIS accidentally went into maximum security mode while we landed. The door is jammed. See if you can unlock the door.
Okay. So how do we unlock the door? Do we play this video?
That's just a sample.
Sample. No, we don't need this.
That there's 5 pages.
Creating a solution. Use code to open the door and help the Doctor explore the planet. Attach the blocks above inside your workspace. The wait block will wait for a specified number of seconds before going to the next block. This will slow down the animation so we can see it change. The switch to costume block is like the next costume block, but will go to the exact costume you choose. Your code should look like this.
Oh.
Okay.
So how do we open? Maybe we start with when actor clicked. Here's the answer key.
Hey.
I'm just gonna look at the first view.
That's the first view. That's like a whole bunch.
So first we go to door 1. Wait, oops, wrong order.
Yeah, good. Wait, no. Door 2 is in the wrong position. And door 1. Okay. So that's the first bit, and now we have to do the next one, which is that. So we wait 5 seconds. Oh, they already put in.
Wait 5 seconds and switch to door 3. Wait 5 seconds, switch to door 4. Wait 5 seconds, switch to door 5. Which, yeah. Is that who it is? Next.
All about costumes. As a side note, here's a quick rundown of all the costume knowledge you'll need on this journey. How to add a costume. How to edit a costume. And for everything else,
click the actor's 3-dot icon. Okay, so actors.
3 dots.
Edit a costume, how to add a costume. Where are the costumes again? Okay.
getting things moving. Click the orange play button to try out your code.
Play.
Oh.
Play. Now we just wait. Is it playing? Oh, wait.
Okay. So if we go to the actor's gear icon, add costume. Oh. Which one?
Emmy, just pick one. Grumpy old man.
Where's? Oh, what?
This is Doctor Who.
Doctor 01. Let's just try next.
Getting things moving. Click the orange play button to try out your code.
Why is Doctor Who here now?
Because you're the one who did the custom. You're the one who did that. Finally, Doctor Who's out.
Okay.
You just wanted-
Anyways, I saw this earlier, but basically costume 1 for the door is when it's shut. Costume 2 is when it's slightly open. Costume number 3 is when it's even more open. Then costume number 4. And by the time you get to costume number 5, the door is completely open.
Okay, so now we're going to press I'm done.
Yes. We're done with the first activity. So let's press I'm done. Congratulations, you have finished this lesson.
And now we're back to this main part.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, cool. So now we get to the next level, which is called a new tool.
Oh. Oh, look what's coming up. The hand.
The hand. So in the next level, we'll be using hand. So we can do this level since we have not demonstrated the hand. Okay. Okay.
Now that's a smell.
Ozone.
Ozone.
What the? Sonic's going haywire right now.
Oh.
Hey.
Ah! It's that same energy.
What's going on?
First the TARDIS, and now this. It's not every day something can short out a sonic screwdriver. It seems I'm not the first traveller to be pulled to this planet either. But these others didn't seem so good.
Oh. I think we have
It
to...
looks like they've been marooned for eons. Let's look for clues and see what I can salvage. At least there's no shortage of spare parts.
Okay, so I think other people have landed on this planet before, and I'm guessing that Doctor Who needs to get out of the planet before she becomes one of those people that just got stranded.
Look at this. Human tech. They're pretty advanced.
Okay.
Oh, there's the hand.
So it's the hand.
It's the same one.
hand. We will also need this.
If I code it right, I should be able to scan this planet. are standing for my sonic until I can clear this energy field.
I do hope we can use the hands. Wait, where did...
Yeah, the hand is here.
You can use code blocks to control the HiFive, just like other actors.
Okay, so it's showing this side right now, the side that you're doing. This.
But instead of just giving commands to an actor on your computer screen, you'll be giving programs to your real-life HiFive. Pretty sweet.
This is
Oh, wow. Oh, so we can program commands and it'll go to this thing. Wow.
Using code, you can turn your HiFive into anything you can imagine, just like the Dr. Sonic. Click on the buttons to read more about these concepts.
Which one?
Intro to HiFive, I don't know.
Intro to HiFive.
Let's see what we're working with. Get your board out too and take a look at the front.
There's the front.
It's all lighting up.
The HiFive has an LED display that we can control.
Oh,
It's a grid of lights that can change colors.
Oh, wow.
Well, we have to plug it in.
Yes.
The HiFive also has two buttons,
It does?
labeled A
Yeah,
and
it
B.
Oh, yeah. A and B is here.
We can use these buttons as inputs for games or other projects, like a gamepad or remote control. You can also run code when you press A and B at the same time, but it's hard to click two things at once in a computer simulation. If you ever need to press both A and B in a puzzle, this virtual button will be provided for you.
Okay.
Click on the buttons to read more about these concepts.
See?
Sensors
The
and
HiFive
events.
can also measure the world around you. It has sensors to detect temperature, light, acceleration, and even magnetic fields.
What?
The light sensor on the front can detect your room's light level.
Oh, okay. Here's the light sensor.
There are even more sensors on the back, along with other things.
It's not on here, though, but that's fine. It's on the one on the digital screen.
The HiFive's accelerometer can tell when you give it a shake.
Oh.
The accelerometer measures acceleration. This can be used to determine when the board is shaken. The compass, also located here, can detect your planet's magnetic field and point you toward north. The HiFive even came with a wireless chip. This will be very helpful in connecting to the internet and potentially other HiFives. We will be able to store information on the HiFive here, in the flash memory. Data will stay in memory even if the board turns off.
That's good.
And finally, the battery is the powerhouse of the HiFive.
Yes, the battery.
So
We must have the
wait,
battery.
Can I plug it in? I know how to plug it in.
Just wait.
Okay, good idea.
Go ahead and plug that in.
Oh. Okay, so we're plugging it in now.
Okay. That's plugged in as can be.
Okay. You plugged it in the right way and everything?
I think. Wait, I want to see if
How do you plug it out?
You just pull on this, I guess.
No,
I know,
don't
yeah.
ever pull
I
on the
know.
wire.
I know, but I don't know how to get it out. But that's the only way in. That's the only way in.
Oh. Here. So if you want to take it out,
No.
where is it?
Now you've got power.
Yep, I did it right.
Click on the buttons to read more about these
Yeah.
concepts.
Okay, third one.
Events.
Actions you take with the HiFive, such as shaking it or pressing a button, are considered events, just like a mouse click. You can run code like this in response to these events.
Oh.
You do
Just
know that
gentle.
these buttons will do nothing since it's not on.
Click on the buttons to run the code.
Oh, here. Oh. Okay, so I'm clicking on the A button over there. Is it?
It's actually working. I plugged it in the right place. Yeah! Woohoo! Whew.
Oh, button B. Button B is pressed.
But I want to.
Okay, so if we press button B, then it will make a happy face.
Can I do?
Go.
Okay, it's making it. It's making. Is it?
Oh, there. Oh, it's doing a rainbow grid. That's cool. That's cool.
Well, it doesn't have it on here because we have to do the.
Okay, yeah, but on the screen, it's doing rainbow. That's,
You guys can see it do rainbow right now.
yes, it's somewhere in our background.
Yeah, it's probably right over there, over here, right on top of my head.
No, maybe not. Button A plus B is pressed. It will clear the display.
Oh, it has a square. It has a square.
Oh yeah.
It has. Wait.
Let's
No.
try to write code that has the
It had a
HiFive
square.
response to button presses.
Oh, okay. So now it's time to write some
Make the
code.
HiFive display a happy face when you press button A, and a rainbow swirl when you press button B.
Okay, happy face for button A, rainbow swirl for button B.
Shake it for rainbow.
That's good enough. Oh, okay. So first we need happy face for button A. Brother.
So you put the happy face on.
No, you always do when first. The when goes first.
I know. Yeah.
Can you? That's not how you code, but okay. You're supposed to drag it over.
Oh,
To
really?
you're supposed to put it more towards the middle. That way, because if you overlap it with the B, then that would get too confusing.
True. And rainbow square.
Okay, good job. Now I'm going to press the play button down here, and it should be able to follow the commands, which is to make a happy face for A and a rainbow swirl for B. Here we go. Click the A button first. Does it work?
It's making it.
Oh yeah, it's still making it.
I wish I did it on here too.
Okay, now I'm going to click the B button, and it's going to light up in different colors.
I think I like the rainbow.
You like the rainbow better?
Mm-hmm.
That's cool.
Brilliant! You're ready to program the compass.
That voice surprised me. Good.
Okay. Whoa, what's this? Oh, good.
Tutorial, making a compass.
Making a compass.
Oh.
A compass is an extremely useful tool in finding out which way to travel. Make a compass to help the doctor on Violet. Click the link above to play through a sample of this project.
You don't need this. Do you?
It'll be helpful.
Are you sure? Let's do it. I think we have to put in the cable. The SBS cable.
Yeah. Okay.
Finding directions. The first thing
Give
you
me
need
the
to do
cable.
is to recalibrate your compass to this new environment.
Okay.
Drag the code blocks into the coding area.
Hold
When
on,
the
hold on.
program starts, you'll have to move the HiFive around in a circle to get an accurate reading.
Okay.
Oh, this is gonna be the compass.
Recalibrate your compass.
It's already kind of pointing arrows.
Drag the code blocks into the coding area. Okay. Next.
Okay.
Using events. Program your HiFive to turn the compass needle green when you point north. Drag the code blocks into the coding area. Your code should look like this.
Hey, don't look
Oh,
at it.
okay.
That's the answers. Hey, you can't just look at the answers.
Do you want to get us out of here or not?
Stop. Still.
Okay, so when compass heading equals north, so that means when the compass is pointing towards north, then we would display the green arrow. when the compass heading does not equal north, brother, drag this one over.
It says a big no. It's a big X.
Yeah, it's a big purple X. Good job.
Deployment time. You are now ready to deploy your first HiFive project. Plug your HiFive in like you learned earlier, either using a battery pack or USB port.
Oh,
Click the orange play button
Give
in
me
the bottom
the
right-hand corner.
wires.
Select your HiFive from the menu and follow the on-screen instructions.
Give
okay.
me the wires.
So,
It goes up here.
where's the USB one?
It's this one.
Right? Oh,
Clearly, I think.
yep.
1, 2, 3.
So what do we do?
We put this here.
Page 4 of 6. Now that we've connected the HiFive to the USB, you can see that there's a big pink X on here. But if we point it in the direction of north, then you'll see a green arrow because north is to my right. Next.
Congratulations! You have now successfully run your first HiFive project. Doctor's Challenge. Can you program the compass to change colors when it points directly south, too?
Oh yeah, we can probably do that real quick. So when compass heading equals south, then
South would be this one.
yes. And when compass heading is not south,
Got it.
oh yes, now it works.
It works.
So now if you go north, it'll have the big X, but if you go south, and that is all for today. We did lessons 1 and 2. We made a cool compass from the HiFive Inventor. If we were to keep going, you can do a Musica Stellarium, Doctor's Best Friend, Time Warp. Ooh, Time Warp. Nice to meet who? Function Junction, Stormy Weather, Regrowth, and Escape. To end this video, we removed the laptop so you can get a clear view of this compass. Now, if you point this in any direction except north, again, there will be a
The
purple
north,
X.
you have to point it at the exact location of north.
Oh, also, if you point it downward, it could have a green arrow, so that will mess it up, so you have to do it flat. And in the direction of north, over here, there's the green arrow. And that's all for the Doctor Who HiFive coding kit. The way I see it, there are 3 cool aspects to this kit. Number 1 is how it has to do with Doctor Who, and there's the nice storyline. Number 2 is the coding, because it can be educational. You can learn Python code, but today we just did block code. And number 3 is this HiFive is really cool. Not only can it act as a compass, as we showed today, but it can also detect light, acceleration, and temperature.
And magnetic fields.
Well, that is compass.
Well, yeah, I guess.
We hope to soon program some more on this HiFive Inventor. And if this looks interesting to you, you can purchase it at the link in the description.
Bye-bye.